How to add pickup address in Amazon shopping. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add the pickup services. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom you can see this tree line icon. Tap on this tree line icon. Now here on the right top, choose your account. So we're in this account settings. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to find the option called your addresses. Simply tap on it, and here on the second option tap on add a new pickup location. So this is the place where you can completely add a new delivery location. Here you can even directly search it through postal codes, or you can directly enter the address where everything should be mentioned. So write the specific location and later you can add this location to this application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.